I know this is a little late considering the first month of 2019. It's almost over already, but I just wanted to say, hey, and in addition, thank you for wanting to learn more about me and the stuff that I do outside of playing video games, which is probably the reason why you subscribe to this channel as opposed to my original channel, like my main channel where I play video games. If you didn't know that that was the difference, basically this is the channel that I use for everything that happens to me in real life. So like blaster videos, the Nerf war, regular vlogs. Unfairy Tales will be here in the future. It wasn't started here, but this is where it will continue. There's definitely going to be, hopefully, more vlogs about random stuff that's going on this channel in the future, in addition to Unfairy Tales stuff, which I'm super excited about, like, just to share more, to, like, get to know everybody a little bit better. I think that's pretty cool. But speaking of Unfairy Tales Season 2 will definitely be re-released here. I'm going to be redoing the metadata on it. It'll be up and running. It's going to go here, and then Season 3 will get re-released here as well, and then from then on I'll be continuing Season 4 and beyond of Unfairy Tales on this channel. So if you want to hear more about Unfairy Tales and you just sub to this channel, that's what this channel is mainly for, though in more recently I've been doing a lot of reviews on stuff. This channel was made specifically to put Unfairy Tales on. But if you're here for gaming content that doesn't involve the pew-pew of blasters, definitely subscribe to my other channel. There's always a link in the description below. I'll get on soon fixing the links, making them a little shorter, because they're a bit ridiculous at the moment. Heather's right, a whole bunch of other people are right. They need to be a little shorter. Sorry about that, but there are always links in the description below. So yeah, Unfairy Tales Season 2 will be re-uploaded soonish, and then on top of that, Season 3 will be re-uploaded here, and then Season 4 and beyond will be new, and on this channel. They won't be on my main channel. I'm trying to find a way to make sure that people who are there for gaming content get what they're looking for, and then people who want to learn more about me are here, which is the way it should be, realistically. In addition, speaking of the reviews, I have one more tech review coming out, actually for an item that I was sponsored to get, which worked out actually pretty well for my new laptop, though I know my new laptop wasn't what it was originally designed for, so there's a little bit of compatibility issues there. And then on top of that, I have 2 more blasters that I'm going to do reviews for. I'm probably going to get more, and there will definitely be more blaster reviews, hopefully more tech reviews as well on this channel in the near future. One thing I've had in the works for probably like 2+ years. This is something I talked about in the other channel's New Year vlog as well. I have had for like the last 2 years a Patreon, and I just never released it. Originally it was all the goals that I set out I actually hit by myself, and I was like, oh, I don't need this. And then after that I was supposed to rebrand my channel. Before this one even existed, I was supposed to rebrand the gaming channel and the Twitch channel by getting a new artist and stuff to do the logo and what have you. And just, I had such trouble getting anything to work out of that, so I didn't end up rebranding anything, and it's just been sitting there. But a couple people have been helping me rework it, and realistically there's no point in me having it if it's not released. So once I've got all the videos that are sitting on my desktop is in front of me, my laptop is behind me right now. Once I get all the videos that are already there and like just need to be finished, just need to be edited and uploaded, done, I'm going to try and concentrate on the Patreon to get it released. I'm not expecting the Patreon to like be a get-rich-quick scheme, but I lost my partnership, and since YouTube's changed the way that you can make ad revenue, I don't have that anymore. And while it wasn't like any huge number that I was getting anytime regularly, it was nice to have like that extra income coming in to help make more content, help do things a little better on the channel. So I think having the Patreon but not releasing it is just silly. Like, it might as well be out there for whoever wants to donate. I have goals and other stuff ready But I'm going to be tweaking them before I release it, so I hope it's a little bit more streamlined when it comes out. But it will be helping both, I guess technically all three of my channels. My gaming channel here on YouTube, this channel, and my Twitch channel. It'll be helping me with gear for all three of them realistically. And last but not least, again, I'm just going to reiterate, if you want to see more video game related content from me, be sure to subscribe to my other channel. There's a link in the description below. If you want to hear about vlogs and blasters and Nerf wars and stuff like that, definitely hang out here on this channel. And I'm hoping to get more content out on this channel this year than there was last year. I didn't start the channel at the beginning of the year, so that has something to do with it, but I will definitely try my best to keep up with both channels. Well, realistically all three channels. So, I am really happy that you guys are here and you're hanging out, and hopefully I get to know all of you a little bit better through here, and you get to know me a little bit better through this channel as well. So until the next video, later y'all, bye!